Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of One to Step. Today, we're learning how to log into Hotmail account, so keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon and never miss another update from us. Start by going to your web browser in order to log into Hotmail. In the URL box, type in www.hotmail.com or you can simply type in outlook.live.com. After you reach to the official website of Hotmail, click on the Sign In button at the upper right corner. In the Sign Up page, enter your email, your phone number, or your Skype ID associated with the account. Once you're done entering your credential, click on the Next button. On the next page, enter your password for your account and make sure to enter the password correct every time you log in. If you want the device to keep you signed in, then check this box over here. But if you are using a shared device or a public device, make sure to keep this unchecked. In case you've forgotten your password, click on Forgotten Your Password link and follow the instructions to reset your password. Once you're done entering your credentials correct, click on the Sign In button and you'll be logged into your Hotmail account or your Outlook account. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or a feedback for us, comment down in the comment box. I'll surely be back with more tutorial episodes again. Goodbye till then.